welcome to Sweet Red Poppy. I'm Kimberly, and today we are talking all about the brand new Cricut Joy that is available from Joann. Today we're going to be personalizing some cute canvas tote bags with our Cricut Joy. Now, if you're not familiar with Cricut Joy, this is a brand new machine that just launched at Joann, and it is a cutting and writing machine, and it also has its own line of smart materials. Smart materials are specific to the Joy machine, and what's different about them than normal Cricut materials is that they feature a thicker backing and you're able to cut without a mat, which is really exciting. So on today's episode, we're going to talk about how to use IronOn and how to use the Cricut Joy. Let's go ahead and jump right into our project. For this project, you'll need a tote bag, Cricut IronOn, a Cricut Joy machine, a weeding tool, and an easy press. To get started on your project, go ahead and open up your Cricut Design Space app. So I just pulled up my design on my iPad and I made sure to mirror my materials. That way it's cut the right way for IronOn. Before you begin cutting, you'll want to make sure that your fine point blade is loaded in your Cricut machine. Open up your materials. And for this project, I'm using Cricut Smart IronOn. And what's different about Smart IronOn than normal IronOn is it features a thicker backing, so I am able to cut without a mat. Make sure to place the shiny side of your IronOn downwards and insert your material into your machine. Right now, your Cricut Joy is measuring your material to make sure that you have enough length to cut your full design. From your app, go ahead and select Go. Once your machine has finished cutting, unload your mat. If you're cutting 2 different pieces of vinyl, now is the time to cut your second piece. Now I'm going to insert my second material. Make sure that the shiny side is facing downwards and that you've selected the correct material. Hit go, and your Cricut Joy will start cutting. Now that my cut has finished, it's time for me to start weeding my IronOn. I like to start in the corner, grab some of the material, and carefully peel it away from the backer. If you're brand new to using IronOn, you'll notice that it has a little more stretch than vinyl. You want to just be careful not to rip anything. So carefully peel it away at a 45-degree angle. Here's something that you might not know about. I am using the Cricut Heat Guide, which tells you exactly the temperature to set your Easy Press to. So what you want to do is say which material you're using. So for this project, we're using just regular IronOn, and I'm putting it onto a cotton canvas base. So it's going to tell me exactly the temperature and the time to apply. When you're working with IronOn, one of the things that I always recommend you do is to preheat your base before you apply the IronOn material. What that's going to do is heat up your cotton base and allow your IronOn to have better adhesion. Once my base is nice and warm, I'm going to place my IronOn. Make sure that your IronOn design is centered on the top and the right and on both sides. Place your Easy Press on top of your project and press firmly down. When you're working with Smart IronOn, make sure that you allow it to cool completely before you peel the liner away. Peel your liner away from the fabric at a 45-degree angle. Now you have a cute personalized canvas pouch. Thanks so much for tuning in to Sweet Red Poppy today and learning about IronOn and the Cricut Joy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy. I'll see you next week.